Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the theme on your Discord app. So it's pretty simple actually. Again, you do need Nitro for this. If you don't, you can only change it from dark mode to a light mode. So go to user settings here, and you are going to select the appearance under app settings, and as you can see, make Discord yours only with Nitro. So there are a few that you can choose from. You can even preview it. So here is the theme preview, and here you can select from these themes which one you want. We have these light ones, but I like the dark mode better because it's just better for my eyes. And I quite like this one, so I'm just going to go back to settings and then just select it, and it's going to be applied to your Discord like so. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!